Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I'm making pesto salmon. I love this recipe because it's so wonderful and easy. Okay, so we're gonna get started. This should not be difficult. That's why it's called easy pesto salmon, you know? Okay, so we're just gonna put each fillet on a baking dish. I was trying to say sheet and dish. Put your salmon on the baking sheet or baking dish, skin or oil side down. I'm using skin on salmon. If you're using skinless salmon, then you'll rub one side with oil. If you're using skin on, there's no need for oil. So I just wash my hands. Pesto goes on top. We're gonna spread that in a second. You don't really have to measure this, but because it's a video and I'm trying to make sure that I do things right, I'm measuring it. So pesto on top. You can always add more pesto if you want. You can make your own pesto. We're trying to make this as easy as possible, so we're going store-bought. And bottled lemon juice. Obviously this will be better if you could squeeze fresh lemon on top, but you know what? I don't have any of those here today, so we're going with bottled. Just squeezing my fresh lemon on top here. Isn't that beautiful? And then some salt we're gonna sprinkle on. As you can see, there's stuff everywhere, and that's normal. It's not all gonna stay on, but it's okay. All right, we're gonna transfer this to the oven because that's all we have to do. This is hot. To set off the smoke alarm. Let's eat some salmon. Not a big fan of the skin. What I just like to do is peel it right off the skin, if you can. Hello, gorgeous. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my God, man, this is good. You would never know that we used bottled lemon juice and frozen salmon. Heavens to Betsy, this is delicious. When was the last time you heard that phrase, if ever? It's so lemony and rich from the lemon juice, obviously, and the pesto. Salmon, you are good. Something that's great about this recipe is that you can make it for as many people as you like because you're gonna use the same amount for each fish, so just increase accordingly. You can use fresh or frozen salmon. If you use frozen, make sure you thaw it before. The cook time will differ based on how thick your salmon is. Smile pretty. I'm not fancy, and you don't have to be either. So we're just gonna like toss that in there. Okay, I'm gonna think about it and BRB. So what we're doing, let's focus. What is the task at hand? Raw, sip, see. Focus, focus, Mimi, focus. Here we are. Deathly afraid that that's gonna get all over me. Shake weight. I feel like we should have done the salt first. I would love to be one of those people that always has fresh lemons, but you know what? My brain doesn't always do that for me. This fresh lemon is so full of life and love and train interrupting my train of thought and what I'm saying. Something I love about, I'm gonna tell you like this. Something I love about this recipe is that, for the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.